The Ego 56-volt Power Plus Powerhead system is an all-yard shearing and clearing solution. Edge grass, clear overgrowth, and trim branches all from one powerhead with a high and low speed switch to get the job done. Simply loosen the tension knob and press the button to change out the head of the tool. The Ego Power Plus 8-inch edger leaves a clean line between the grass and the pavement. A brushless motor has all the torque needed to slice through dense roots and dirt, with an edge guide to keep a straight line. The Ego Power Plus 15-inch string trimmer with rapid reload head clears the thickest brush with a 0.095 dual feed twist line and a brushless motor. A bump feed head extends line on the go. Replace string line in seconds with the rapid reload feature. Simply thread the line through and rotate the head until the line is fully loaded. The Ego Power Plus pole saw makes limbing and cleaning up tall bushes easy with a 10-inch organ bar and chain. Reach difficult areas with little effort and increase that reach to 10 feet with the added extension arm. The Ego Power Plus Powerhead system makes yard care easier. A simple twist and click swaps out any of the tools for a different task. The Ego Power Plus Powerhead system is part of the Ego Power Plus family of tools, so the 56-volt ARC lithium battery can be used on any tool or charger for maximum versatility and value. The Ego Power Plus Powerhead system. Ego. Power beyond belief.